anywhere and everywhere.
G'day everybody, it's Matt Dawn from Lawnporn. Get your lawn on. And this episode we're going to introduce you to the Lawnporn Topdress available at Garden Grove. Check it out. Woohoo! Get your top dress on. So let me tell you the story about Lawnporn Topdress. So about 5 years ago I started coming here for my top dress. I needed a real fine top dress, so I used to actually make the travel all the way down here from Whyalla just to grab a trailer load of top dress and then haul it all the way back, and generally that wasn't enough and I had to do it 2 or 3 times, so it was quite hectic. But the stuff is just so good, and I remember one of my second visits just before we started doing the fertilizers here was that I just said to him, look, you know, you're gonna have my fertilizers on your shelf soon, and they kind of laughed at me and thought, you know, who is this silly bugger? But that turned out to happen, and ever since then I've had a fantastic relationship with Garden Grove. Then they delivered that top dress, and then we started calling it Lawnporn Topdress. So the Lawnporn Topdress that we've got now is the same mix as that, although it adds a little bit of gypsum, and that aids with drainage. That also aids with adaptability of the top soil to your native soil. The gypsum certainly helps with the aeration and helps sort of meld the two together. This stuff is just going to be completely perfect for top dressing for your renovation. Cooch, kikuyu, buffalo, this stuff is just amazing. It is sourced from a very expensive and exclusive pit. It is double pressed and it has added gypsum, so this stuff doesn't have any rocks or any debris, and you can slap it down. It's great for leveling, it's great for drainage. It's just a premium top dress. This stuff can be used in golf greens and at the home, and that's the quality of it, and we're just so happy and so proud we've joined forces with Garden Grove to make this happen. And look, come down and check out the business or call 8251 1111. You can get this stuff here, obviously. You just go on the weighbridge and ask for what you want. They bring it to you, they put it in your trailer, they weigh it, they give you a ticket, then you go pay for it and off you go. Or if you're lucky enough to be in the north, south, east or west of Adelaide and its suburbs, its metropolitan area, you can get the stuff delivered. So your little truck, that's for local deliveries, is it?
Anywhere and everywhere.
Awesome. You guys in Adelaide Metro, wow, what a deal. You've got it super easy. You can get this stuff delivered to your doorstep, to your driveway, and boom, you will have a fantastic start to your growing season, that's for sure. This place is absolutely massive. It's just mind-blowing, the scale of it. And look, I've been here on weekends a couple of times and it is just busy, and they've got a bit of everything here, that's for sure. So let's go check it out. Now it's time for me to head back. Now the sun comes out to play. It was all overcast before. Wasn't it's a bit of a shame. I do have to go. I can't stick around. You right, mate? Sorry. Yeah, can't stick around because I've got to get back up to Cooper Petey for work. What a shame. It's so nice out here now. Wish I was filming before. Wish the sun was out before, should I say. Alright, well, for today's effort I've earned myself a free focaccia, so I'm going to go collect that. See how we're going. I've packed all my camera gear away. We'll see if it's my sandwich is ready to go. Really having a fantastic time here at Garden Grove. You can spend half the day here really. Oh, look, my sandwich is ready. Thank you.
There you go. Thanks.
Cheers. All right. Well, got my chicken focaccia for my trip back home. Let's get going. So yeah, Garden Grove, 8251 1111. Ring them up, check them out. Lots of stuff here. So Lawnporn Topdress, it's a go. You can come here and get it. You can get it delivered anywhere in Adelaide. It's fantastic. 8251 1111 is the number to call. Or if you're here, just ask for it by name. Lawnporn Topdress. Get your lawn on. G'day everybody, it's Matt Dawn from Lawnporn. Welcome to... G'day everybody, it's Matt Dawn from Lawnporn. Get your lawn on. This episode, we're going to introduce you to the Lawnporn Topdress, available this episode. It is a fantastic sauce. As you can see, it's a bit busy here. It is a fantastic, and it's double pressed to make sure that there's no rocks in it or anything. Just have a look anywhere.
Come to get some supplies.
Yes.
You're on camera, do you mind or?
I prefer not to.
Prefer not to? No worries, I won't film you then.
Massive thank you to Garden Grove for making Lawnporn Topdress a reality. It's available at Garden Grove. Call 8251 1111.